This way.
Come on, Carson. Video evidence. You don't be nice.
Yeah. This
I'll
way,
let
Papa.
you hold it in a little bit. She's anxious. She wants to hold the GoPro.
Papa, you go this way. I like this way
No,
better.
the creek's down here. Are you crazy? That's why we came.
Cord dog with the cord.
Even though it's warmed up a little bit, you can feel the coldness coming off that water.
Papa, Carson's down. We lost the player.
I'm telling you right now, we having trouble with Carson. There he is. I thought he had went back to the car. Come on, let's go down here.
I want to get in. Oh.
You got to go back and cross the bridge. Don't do that. I don't want nobody to get wet. No, you ain't getting in the water. Go back and go back across that bridge. Go back and go back across that bridge. I can't have y'all getting wet.
Yes, we have. Boy, yes, we have. I have. I'll lead y'all.
What'd you do? Come on, we're gonna go down.
I
Go down this way.
I can't remember you went this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I ain't been down this way in a long, long time.
Come on, y'all.
I think last time I came down this way was with Tiffany and Doug and the dog.
Two.
They was running, letting the dog run and play that day.
Now
Okay, just hey, hold it straight, just like that. Hold it on the pad. Oh, you got to look, see what you're filming. Core. You can talk, Core. Talk about what you're seeing. Look at that. Look down there in the weeds.
That's a shoe.
Carson Hyde.
Hello.
Hey, let's go down here. There's some white water. Maybe there's a
Hey,
trail.
don't go in
Here's
there.
a
That's
little
poison out.
trail.
That's poison out.
Coral. No, it ain't.
Be careful.
Walk down there and look at the water.
We got 3 weave. It's pleasant.
Go out on that rock. Go out on that big rock and point towards the water. There you go. It's still on. Just point it. It's still on.
So white.
There you go. Point it towards the water.
Oh.
Oh, like this. Look. Do it like this. Look.
I do that.
Now do it like this. Look, no. Point it towards you.
Okay, I did it. Let's go out.
All right, don't trip and fall.
I didn't really want me to fall. this in my hand. Because it is puzzle. You got 3 wheels. That's puzzle. I close the coat. I'm trying to get touch it. Mo!
Hey, you get older, you can have your own YouTube channel. Yeah, you can make videos and put them up, and everybody watch them.
Well, hurry up! Step!
Come on, boys.
Papa, I do I cut out this. I do that after I cut out. Go this way. Or go this way. Look like. Look this way. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see what's over there.
Water. Come here!
Here, let me hold it while you're throwing rocks in the water. Man, that's a big rock. Wait a minute.
It's off.
Go get the boys. Go get the boys. There they come. Come on. Come on, back down this way.
Give me that.
This looks cool right down here. Usually where there's a trail, there's something cool. Man, that tree's seen better days. Where'd y'all go? It'll make its way back to the main trail.
I got you. We're walking to Poison Oak.
Wait a minute. Go, where'd he go? He's down at the creek. Come on, we're going on down here. Okay, y'all better be on your best behavior. The video's on. The video's on. Come on.
That was good.
She's wanting that perfect walking stick. Carson?
She pushed me. He's hitting me. Hey, Papa, you know how you tried to cut me, and he said you're deep.
I know, he was being mean. Don't grab his stick.
Stop! I'm going to go back there. I'm going to go back home. I'm going to eat.
Hey, your daddy's gonna see the video how they being mean. We in the middle of the woods and she's hollering McDonald's. We ain't nowhere near a McDonald's. Come on, we'll beat them down to the creek. Looks like a cooler spot right up there. Look, right up there. Cora, look at me. Cora, look. Oh, don't fall. Okay, hold up right there. What? Y'all better not get wet. Come on, we'll find a, come on, let's go up here to this next spot. Can you get on that rock? You stay, that's good, right there. Stand right there. Look at. Picture time. See if, yeah, see if you can find them. Where are you wanting to go? Back this way? I bet if it was, hey, Cora, I bet if it was summertime and warm weather, I bet you wouldn't be wanting to go. You'd be wanting to get in the water. Yeah, but, well, this water stays cold all the time. There's them nuts. There's them nuts.
Huh?
So there's them nuts.
What you mean? Cold. It is cold. I'll give you that.
Wait a minute. Do it again, Cart. You're a pro. They're not. They're not.
We know how to take pictures. We just don't want to. Yeah, what he said. You don't want to splash water.
Get out of the water. I told y'all, do not get wet.
You gotta wait for a second. Yeah, I found a fishing bait. Look, I found a fishing bait. What do you mean? You don't have the picture.
Yeah, is it got a hook?
Yeah.
Well, you better make sure it don't get in your foot.
Papa, Papa. That's why I need to start looking for one every time I come down here. Papa,
Oh.
please.
Yeah, he's all right. He just needs a little Band-Aid. What done that? What done that?
Where?
Hey,
Where's another one? Grab it.
Adam, what done that?
Don't know. Let me see. Where? If I can grab it.
Come on, back to the parking lot.
Yay! I was the only one scared. You did. I probably put my shoes back on.
Well, you can go without them. Come on.
Look at food down.
Huh?
Take a picture. Look at food. I don't want to take one like this.
No, come on. She's hungry. She wants food. We'll go back and check in with your mama and daddy and see what they got going on.
Stop tearing me up.
Heading back to the car. I told them not to get wet, and I can see they're wet. Now it's gonna be a fight for the front seat. She heard me. She heard me. There won't be no fighting over the seats.
Papa. Now if you stand over, sit your way back. Hey, pull it down, lock the door.
I didn't say that. That was what your mama said.
Yeah, you too. I guess me, I was thinking.
All right. Adventure over.
Seize the day. Wake up and say, this is an extraordinary life. Oh, enjoy today. Come what may, this is an extraordinary life. Oh, I gave it all. My cards have fallen, but I'm still alive. And in the end, believe my friend, I will survive. Glory or heartache, but some of the joy. Go seize the day. Wake up and say, this is an extraordinary life. Oh, enjoy today. Come what may, this is an extraordinary life. Oh, all of the good times, all of the bad, responsibility